Hello guys, as you can see today I have repaired Fusion Splicer Comway A33 model lithium battery pack. My battery pack capacity got reduced, so as per customer requirement we have changed the cells and the BMS also, and now the battery pack having more wattage as compared to the company ones. Now it got 12 volt and 5.3 Ah, which is more than 11.1 volt 4000 mAh. On upper cutoff it will get 12.4 volt and 5300 mAh battery pack capacity, which will give you more backup as compared to the previous company ones, and you can repair it with a warranty of 2 years.